Kentucky Fried Chicken, better known as KFC, is one of the most recognizable fast food brands in the world. Its story is deeply connected to perseverance, reinvention, and one of the most iconic figures in restaurant history, Colonel Harland Sanders. Harland Sanders was born in 1890 in rural Indiana and held many jobs throughout his early life. It wasn't until his 40s that Sanders found his calling in food service. During the Great Depression, he began cooking meals for travelers at a small service station in Corbin, Kentucky. His home-style cooking, particularly fried chicken prepared using a unique blend of herbs and spices, quickly gained popularity. In the late 1930s, Sanders perfected a faster method for cooking fried chicken using a pressure fryer, allowing him to serve fresh chicken quickly to customers. This innovation became a breakthrough that helped his roadside restaurant thrive. In recognition of his contributions to Kentucky cuisine, Sanders was named an honorary Kentucky Colonel in 1935, a title that would later become central to the brand's identity. By the early 1950s, Sanders' restaurant faced challenges as new highways diverted traffic away from his location. Rather than giving up, he embraced a new idea: franchising. In 1952, the first Kentucky Fried Chicken franchise opened in Salt Lake City, Utah. Sanders traveled across the country, pitching his chicken recipe to restaurant owners in exchange for a small royalty per piece sold. Throughout the 1950s and 1960s, KFC expanded rapidly across the United States and internationally, whose white suit, black string tie, and friendly demeanor became synonymous with quality fried chicken. By the mid-1960s, KFC had become one of the fastest-growing restaurant chains in the world. In 1964, Sanders sold the company to a group of investors for $2 million but remained involved as a brand ambassador. Under corporate ownership, KFC continued expanding globally, opening thousands of locations and becoming a dominant force in fast food. The company changed hands several times over the following decades, eventually becoming part of Yum! Brands. Despite its success, KFC faced challenges as consumer tastes shifted and competition intensified. The brand experimented with menu changes, restaurant redesigns, and marketing strategies to remain relevant. While some efforts succeeded, others were met with mixed reactions. Today, KFC operates thousands of restaurants in more than 150 countries. While the company has evolved beyond its founder, the image of Colonel Sanders remains central to its identity. From a small roadside kitchen in Kentucky to a global fast food empire, KFC's history is a story of resilience, innovation, and the enduring appeal of a simple recipe done right.